Okay, today we are going to be going over first airlock skip. This trick seems to be giving a lot of people trouble, especially the first jump. So I'm going to do it two different methods. I'm going to use the concussion rifle, which I guess is the old strat now, and then I'm going to do the spring jump method, which is the harder method. So for the concussion rifle jump, we just want to crouch, get up here. I like to stand towards the back of the box. Go backwards, jump, and crouch at the same time. You can get in pretty easily. Actually, I can get out. No, I can't. You can do it while looking forwards as well, but I find it's a little bit harder than just going backwards. The key is though is to crouch like right away, because there's a little bit of a ledge there that will get you if you don't crouch. But the concussion rifle, this jump's pretty easy. I'll do it just one more time to demonstrate. Like stand on the back of the box here, and jump, crouch, same time. And I always constantly keep moving backwards as I do this too. Don't ever stop moving backwards. Now the next jump I'm going to do is the spring jump method, which it's a lot harder. And depending on your control scheme or button layout that you use, it's going to be different for everyone. I play on the universal reclaimer control scheme, which is the default for original Halo 4. So my crouch button is B. I have it as hold. So for to do a spring jump, if you don't know, you're going to want to jump and land crouched. And you need to press your jump button and the the jump and crouch at the same time, and you'll get a higher jump. Now this is very inconsistent. Like there, I just got it, but you have to. I was too slow there. But you have to press them at the same time in order for the spring jump to actually work. And it is, I won't say highly inconsistent, but you're not going to spring jump every time, unless you're just really good at spring jumps, which I'm not. So the spring jump's a lot harder to get in because you have to face forward, and if you don't hit the spring jump, you're obviously not going to make it in. So you want to spring jump over, you can get in. If you try to do this normal crouch jump, it's not going to work at all. And I think that's where a lot of people, when they watch, get confused, because it looks like we're just doing a normal like jump into it, but no, we're doing a spring jump. So when I jump onto the box, I'm actually already crouched. So that's how I time that. So I jump up, I jump up to right here, I'm crouched, then I do the spring jump. And there I failed it, so I didn't make it. Let me try again. That time I did get it. Now we're back, now we're in bounds. So hopefully that helps whoever's been having trouble with this. The jump isn't really hard, but it can be tricky if you aren't sure what's going on. Oh, that's a new way in bounds. Okay, interesting. That's cool. Well, I'm gonna end the video there. Hope it helps.